Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for 10th class chapter 1 real numbers. In this video we are going to discuss exercise 1.5 which is related to logarithms and question number 8 and 9. The other problems are given in the description, so please follow the links in the description. So this is your 8th question. If 2 power x plus 1 equal 3 power 1 minus x, he asks you to find out the value of x. Okay. So first let us take the given statement as it is. Now to find the value of x, we have to take logarithm on both sides. So let me take logarithm on both sides. So log 2 power x plus 1 equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Okay. So put logarithm on both sides. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, it is in power. Okay, our property when it is in power is log m base a equal to m log a. Okay, whenever power is there, this power should be sent to the front. So it is m log a. Okay, for the clear explanation of properties, please follow the link which is given in the description. Okay, so here m is there, that m should be sent to the front. So here our power is x plus 1, that should be sent to the front, and here the power is 1 minus x, so it is also should be sent to the front. Okay, so your step will be like this: x plus 1 log 2, we send the power to the front. Here 1 minus x should be sent to the front, so that it will be like this: 1 minus x log 3. Okay, now what you should do means give this log to both of them, because we want the value of x, means only x should be separated. X equal to whatever is there, we should write on the right side. Okay, so only x has to be separated. To separate the x, before that, to separate x is mingled with some other thing. It is combined with some other thing. It is combined with plus 1. Here it is combined with this one. Okay. So first we should separate them. Then we can find out x value. So to separate them, whatever log 2 is there, that one you give to both of them, because it is under distributive property. Okay. So we distribute this log 2 to both of them. X log 2 plus log 2. Here we finish. Next 1 log 3, 1 log 3 or log 3 is same only, minus x log 3. Okay. So we got this one. Now after that, here x terms are, these two are the x terms from this equation. Okay. So we'll write these x terms together on the left side and the other things on the right side. Okay. So I send this minus x log 3 to the left side, it became plus x log 3. Whenever minus is sent to the other side, it becomes plus, right? If plus is sent there, it becomes minus. Okay, I want to find out x, so whatever x are there, that should be written on one side. Here log 3 will be here only, so I wrote as it is. Here plus log 2, when it is sent there, it becomes minus log 2. Okay, let us go to the next slide for the continuation. So let me take the same step here. X log 2 plus x log 3 equal to log 3 minus log 2. Okay. If you observe carefully here, both are having x here. Both terms are having x. So I can take x common. So x into log 2 plus log 3 equal to log 3 minus log 2. Because we want to find out x, means x should be separated. When x will be separated, if it is common, you should take common. Okay. Now I'll here x, we got x. Okay, we got x here, but with x something is there. Okay, so we should send this to the right side. Okay, we don't want this here because we want only x equal to, so this is extra one. Whenever it is extra, it should be sent to the other side. Okay, so here it is multiplying with this one, this log 2 plus log 3, whatever is there, it is multiplying with x. Okay, so whenever multiplication is sent there, it becomes division, right? So x equal to, this one will be as it is, I wrote as it is, and here this is sent as division. Okay, now if you observe carefully, here we have minus symbol. When logs with minus means minus friend is in log, it is division. Okay, plus friend is, it is multiplication. Okay, please follow the properties. Here minus symbol is there, so it is division. So I can write log 3 by 2 and log 2 plus log 3. Here plus means I can write into. Okay, your step will be like this. We use these two formulas. Here minus is there, so by 2 by using this property, and here multiplication is there, so it is plus. Okay, now it is log 3 by 2, you should write as it is. Here 3 into 2 means we can write 6. So your x is log 3 by 2 by log 6. Simple. First he will give without log. You should take log on both sides. Next, whatever power is there, that should be sent to the front. Okay, now distribute whatever is there outside the bracket. Distribute to both of them, because we should separate x. For separation, first you separate the terms. Okay, then whatever x terms are there, that you write on left side, and the other things on the right side. Take x as common and send whatever is there extra apart from x to the right side, and use the suitable property which is applied. Okay, so log 3 by 2 by log 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Clear? So let us go to the ninth problem. So here is your ninth problem. First one, log 2 rational or irrational. We should check is log 2 rational or irrational, means we should check whether it is a rational or irrational and justify your answer. Why it is rational, or why it is irrational. Okay, so here log 2 he gave, so I can take log 2 as log 2 base 10. Okay, base 10 can be given to any log. Okay, so I can write log 2 base 10 and I'll equate it to x. I'll take it as x. Okay, now we have one statement. Simple. If I'll give the statement. This is your statement. Simple. This a should be sent here. Okay, so this base whatever is there, it should be sent to the other side. So a power n it will become. Okay, and this x should be written separately. That's it. Don't write log. Okay, let me take one example. Log 2 power 32 is, suppose log 2 power 32 I gave, and I gave that value as some 5. Okay, so simple, this 2 should be sent to this base, so it will become 2 power 5, and this 32 should be written separately, so 32. Log will be not there, so 32 equal to 2 power 5. Okay, so here also simple, we'll use this property here. Here 10 is base here, so send this 10 here, so 10 power x it becomes. Okay, now this 2 should be separately written, so 2 here. This log is not taken, so 10 power x equal to 2. Okay, 10 power x equal to 2. Now here it is 10 power x, but here it is 2, right? We cannot write 2 in terms of 10 power. 2 is cannot be, it is impossible to write in terms of 10 power, right? So I can tell that 2 cannot be written as 10 power x. So for any value of x, whatever value of x you take, when it is 1, 2, whatever it is not giving 10 power value, right? So we can say, as it is not written like this, we can say that log 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so by using this method, we'll solve the next problem from this bit. So your next question is log 100 rational or irrational. You should check now log 100 and you should justify your statement. Okay, so here also I can take log 100 as log 100 base 10. Okay, let me take log 100 base 10 as x. Okay, here if you see 100, the base is 10 here. Whatever the base is there, you should write this power in terms of base only. Okay, so here 100 I can write as 10 square, right? So I can write 100 as 10 square, like log 10 square equal to x. Okay, now we have one formula here, power is there, so for power you have one formula, log m base a equal to m log a, means simple, power will be sent to the front. Okay, so here our power is 2, so 2 will be sent to the front because we have two same bases. So 2 log 10 base 10 equal to x. Now we have the base and power are same. When the base and power are same with logarithm, you have one formula, log a base a equal to 1. Okay, now you can take that formula and substitute here 1. So it will become 2 into 1 equal to x. So 2 into 1 is 2. So x equal to 2. Now we got one value, we got x, right? So if x value is given, we can say that it is a rational number. Means we got some x value, means it is a rational number, then only we'll get the value. So we can say that log 100 is rational. In the previous problem we got 2 equal to 10 power x. Okay, so this, to get x 2 cannot be written in terms of 10. Okay, so we cannot say that x is derivable, so x will be rational. That's why we concluded that x is an irrational, sorry, log 2 is an irrational number. As here x is, we can find out the x here, we can say that log 100 is a rational number. I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please take your own problems and solve. Please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.